On Tuesday, 22nd March, 30 members of the Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya, Fastom, marched from the RAJBHAWAN junction to MALKI ground as a protest against the state government's delay in fulfilling their demand for upgrading all ad hoc schools to deficit system or deficit pattern with effect from 2019. Executive member of Fastom, Mebon R. Lingdo, said that the stir will continue until the teachers' demands are met. He also informed that as part of the agitation program, a group of 5 teachers will daily protest in front of the office of the Meghalaya Board of School Education (MBOS), while from April onwards, the agitation will intensify. Lingdo also sought the support of parents of all students in the teachers' fight for a good cause.
Yesterday's general meeting is not over yet, so we are continuing our agitation. We will continue again. Today we are having a peaceful protest. Tomorrow we will have a sit-down protest at the MBOS office right from 11 p.m. till 3 p.m. 11 a.m. sorry, 11 a.m. till 3 p.m. And we will sit there every single day, rotational, with 5 teachers. So we do not also want to disturb the board examinations that is going on. Therefore, we from the teaching community, we have decided that we will have 5 teachers who will sit there rotationally. So it will not be the same teachers who will be sitting there. Some of us might be sitting there like continuously, but all the other 4 teachers will sit rotational. And we also want to send a message to the government that you should not take it lightly just because we are not really going full swing. We are not really thinking about the government right now, but we are thinking about the students that we are teaching. And we have this responsibility in our shoulders that in this tussle, in this tug of war between the teachers and the government, the students should not get affected. However, we also have a very clear message to send to the government that the moment April arrives, if the government does not take any immediate action, we are going to launch a full agitation, and it will be on full strength. We will launch agitation in all the different districts of the state. We will have agitation right here in Shillong as well. Whether we get permission or not after April, not after March, sorry, when April arrives, whether the government gives us permission or not, that will not be something that we should worry about anymore. But we will go full on, full strength. However, till April, we will follow whatever the government wants us to do. We will cooperate with the government, we will work together with the government, and we will make sure that the students are not affected in any shape or form.